Hey, I hope you're well. To walk you through annotations so you can be comfortable to try it with your students. We've been doing it for now a year at Academy A, and I attached a couple to use too. So over here is the bookmark. I just copied it onto the PowerPoint. And I gave you an easy key in the middle. We asked students to circle unfamiliar or key terms, acknowledge confusion by asking questions, talk to the text, and you can see there's some options on the side here. Capture the main idea by boxing it. That's especially useful for introduction and conclusion of articles. And then also highlight important details. I don't give my students highlighters, I make them underline. I'm a terrible person, you'll be fine. I give them a score. Each letter's worth 2 points, and so they would get 10 points just for catch annotating. You can do that however you'd like. We're really trying to move away from students just underlining huge amounts of text and calling that annotation, because it's a really common strategy students to employ to avoid reading and to look busy. And so I look for circles on their paper. I look for questions on the margins. I look for writing on the margins outside of just highlighting, which is why I don't usually give them highlighters. There's a couple examples I want to show you, and so this is actually pretty light annotation. You can see it's just underlining and some numbering and notes on the sides. Students can do this. Usually there's more pictures and drawings when I annotate, and I have some science examples I can send over as well. I call it tree killer catch, and math teachers can do this because you would actually annotate on the paper. For some things we can't do that because, you know, if it's a textbook or something like that. So I can show you other options. This is journal style catch. So you fold a piece of paper in half. On the left side you do a summary of your readings. On the right side you put CATCH. And you can see I folded here. And so for C, I found a word I didn't know, deconstruction. A, I asked a question or two. T, I made a comment, oh, this is assimilation and colonialism. Capturing the main idea, I did like a quick one sentence, and then important details. You know, it's Derrida, it's the 1960s, blah, blah, blah. And I drew a picture at the bottom too. This was really, really popular with the honors chemistry class because it forced students to make notes and then also summarize. And then you can collect all of the journals at the same time. You can make them do 2 or 3 before you grade it, which is nice. Index card catch also works, and so you would just collect an index card from each student. They have to write pretty small. Maybe you can say, oh, you can use the catch on your test, and that would be really cool. And all of your grading fits inside a rubber band, so that's awesome too. It's less overwhelming, I think, because it's only an index card. Any student can fill an index card. And so you just write CATCH down the side, have them find, you know, circle a key term or a word they don't know, ask a question, make a comment about the text, and there you go. And this is actually all of mine from the grad school that I went to this summer. So it's definitely a life skill that our students need for college. Sticky notes are also a great option, but they have to take them out of the books, and sticky notes are really expensive. So we started this with the textbook for AP English, and it got really overwhelming really fast. Some teachers love it, and so if you want to do sticky note catch, by all means. So good luck, and if you have any questions about what we're looking for students, or if you ever want to compare, Chris Tovani thinks this is a great method of assessment and has written many books about it, and I would be happy to share those with you as well. I hope you have a really great day, and I hope you try catch with your students.